Hello everyone. In the previous video, we saw how to lock cells. But locking cells causes a problem. It also disables a bunch of other features like inserting, formatting, or deleting rows and columns. The good news is some features can still be left enabled. To fix this, go to the Review tab and choose Unprotect Sheet. Now, protect the sheet again, but this time, before clicking OK, check these boxes. Here you can turn on some options that are workaround. This gives users permission to do these actions while the sheet is locked. But while some features here, like formatting and inserting, works, deleting doesn't work. Because for it to work, the cells need to be unlocked, and if they're unlocked, this option isn't really needed anymore. This is a security feature to prevent data from being erased. And that's it. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.